Alright, so welcome back to our 30 days challenge with Python. So today is day 16 and today we'll be working on decimal to binary conversion. So what you need to do is that you'll be giving you ask a user for a decimal number and you have to convert the decimal number to a binary number, a binary digit. So look at this and just give you just pause the video and try this and let us know in the comment section whether you were able to do it and your approach to it, because we can all have different approach to this. And if that reminds me, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel Code to get more content like this. And if there's a content you would like to see you are not seeing on my channel yet, yes, right here you can comment in the comment section and let me know what you like to see. Right. Okay, so without further ado, don't forget to like this video while I code along now. So the first thing we want to do now is to get our input from the user. So I'm going to go ahead and say num now, right? Int input, enter the decimal number. So let's enter the decimal number right there. So right here, we enter the decimal number from the user itself. And here now, we won't stress so much. We just go ahead and use a built-in function by Python called bin. So we use this built-in function and we just give it num. But one thing you notice by num is that, okay, when we try to print out this, we just say binary equivalent of decimal number. Right, so let's maximize this. Now of decimal number num is binary. Alright, so just 3 lines of code, imagine. So print this out now. If I should enter something like 2, I'm getting this. I'm getting this OB10. And I don't want this. So I need to strip this. So what I can do is to remove the first 2 characters here by putting this square bracket and these 2 column right there. So now if I enter something like 3, I'm getting just the binary equivalent is not ID. This binary equivalent, right? So we can go with 10 and get the binary equivalent. Alright, so that's a wonderful, well, this is quite a short video. Right, yeah. So this is quite a short video. Now we know how to convert from binary to decimal. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Bye. See you in the next challenge.